let's talk about Peterson. We've failed to win 2 games so far this season, and both of them, Brendan Peterson played a huge role. He got beaten from the touchline in his near post against Golden Arrows. We went on to lose that game. Against Mamelodi Sundowns, he comes out for a cross. He thinks he's Superman. Makes absolutely no contact with the ball. Cassius Mailula has it to an open net. Absolute disaster class. Absolute disaster class. Now we don't owe Peterson anything. I don't owe Peterson shit. Let's not think we are not entitled to criticize Brendan Peterson. He's had one good season in the 5 or 6 seasons he's been at Kaizer Chiefs. So let's not think we shouldn't hold him accountable, because if that was Bruce Vuma, we would be ripping the absolute shit out of him. So let's not think we are not entitled to criticize Brendan Peterson, because that's 2 games he's costed us now. 2 games in the first 4 games. 2 games in the first 4 games. That's absolutely terrible. And if Peterson makes another costly mistake in the next 3 games, I am calling for him to get dropped. I am calling him to get dropped. He's costed us 2 games out of the first 4. Because against Mamelodi Sundowns, the coach had a great plan. The plan worked to perfection. Every player turned up for that game. Only for him to make such an idiotic mistake. Because now it's one of them ones where if you ask anyone why didn't we win that game, it's because of Peterson. Facts. The reason we didn't win that game against Mamelodi Sundowns is because of Brendan Peterson. That's just it. I don't think Sundowns were going to score. They posed zero threat. They didn't look like scoring all game. Peterson didn't even have to make a save throughout the whole game. They gained confidence after scoring that goal. That's where they started, creating those half chances, taking shots, you know, because of him. That's also because of him. He handed Mamelodi Sundowns the confidence, and they looked dangerous after that goal. But ultimately, Brendan Peterson is to blame for this draw. I didn't go too harsh on him against Golden Arrows because I felt like the whole team, didn't turn up. On this one, all the players turned up, but Brendan Peterson decided, you know what, I don't want us to win today, and yeah, we ended up taking 1 point, and it's very disappointing, man. It's very disappointing for someone who was our best player last season. I think Brendan Peterson was our player of the season last season. To have such a horrible start to the season, it's very disappointing, man. It's very disappointing. He better wake up. He better switch on, man. He better switch on. As I've said, if he makes one costly mistake in the next 3 games, I am calling for him to get dropped. I am sorry, but I can't stand for this. I can't.